do this. Back to work, buddy.
Let's go. You want to hop on?
I'm going to get on that train.
All right, man.
Brylon Terry's driving. They should put a siren on that.
I know. It has a Google horn. Love it. Hello, this is BBT 609. That's just my YouTube name. But this is Brylon Terry, BBT 609 once again. Driving the B&O here at Tradewinds and Atlantic Railroad. Today is September 30th, 2012. Fifth Sunday of the month. As you can see, Kevin's train is going to be pulling freight today. Today is our fun run. We have the fourth time of the year. And we're just taking a break, you know, we're just having some fun on the railroad. Right over there is Sir Caboose Mikey, operating the 713
Now Daniel's by himself.
I got Daniel
Caboose Mikey on the 713. Looks like he's having fun. Here comes Little Al. Gotta tell him I switched the points for him. I switched it for you! I switched it for you. Daniel and Pops. Here comes Brylon Terry.
So, here we are at Tradewinds on Atlantic Railroad. Today is our fun run. You know, just taking a break from like all public runs so we can just have time to ourselves. I still don't understand how some passengers or some people actually knew about the fun run. I still don't understand that. We didn't even post signs or anything, and they just came. I probably would have done the same thing. But anyway, we had some fun today. I had some fun, you know, taking trains around about 5 to 6 times. You know, seeing Caboose Mikey working the 713. Kevin Hollihan's 617. I think the pressure steamer, you know, broke at the joint. So that kind of
slowed us
out
down.
The engine at 11 o'clock today. But everything went good. Safety is always first on the railroad. It's everybody's job. Safety is a requirement. That is on every railroad. So, hope you guys will come down in October. It's going to be Halloween. We're going to have the little spooky stuff going on. We're going to have the festival here. The first time here at the Tradewinds Park. But, you guys want to come down? Come down! It's very fun. It's worth your time. You know, I come down 2 hours from Sebastian, and it's worth every time. I love coming here. You know, I always look forward to coming here and spending time with people and, you know, just having fun. Just having good fun. And when you're having fun and you know safety is first, everything turns out good at the end. Well, it's time to wrap this day up as we're putting everything back in the yard. And me and Tommy are going to go back up to Sebastian and catch FEC 101. Alright. It's BBT 609 concluding for Andrew Saracino. Out.